Hello all, welcome Technical Panchayat. My name is Akash and today we are going to discuss about Python operators. So in our previous videos we have discussed about Python and basic introduction to Python, and also we have also did some coding also on the basics of Python, where we discussed about print statements and data types and all, and typecasting as well. In order to check this video you can refer to my previous video. I'll share the link in my description. So today we are going to start about Python operators. So in Python operators, we are going to cover few topics which are basically arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, expression and basic math functions, and operator precedence. So let's start with arithmetic operators. So as you know, there are very few basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all. So we'll see how we can do it here. So suppose I have two variables a and b. Suppose I need to add. So in order to print, so I'll print the sum of these two numbers. Suppose I print this a plus b. So this plus operator is used for addition purpose. For subtraction, we'll use a minus b, which is your subtraction. For multiplication, we will be using an asterisk to multiply. For division, we will be using a backslash. Now suppose in division, I'll show you one thing here. Yeah, great. So you can see that on addition we got 15, on subtraction we got 5, on multiplication we got 50, whereas in division we got a float number, that is 2.0. But I don't need this float number, I need it in a integer manner. Okay, we also call it a float division. So it will give us the integer number, integer value out of it. Suppose if I'll show you about float division. So what we can do here, a double backslash by b. See, we got 2. Now if we talk about the modulus or a remainder, so if you have done any other programming like that, you must be aware of this also. So it's similar to other language. Print a mod b, a percentage b is the sign for modulus. So as we know that 10 divided by 5 is 2. We don't have any remainder, that's why we're getting a remainder as 0 over here. We also have exponential operation, that is power. Suppose I need to mention I need to mention 2 to the power 2, or suppose if I want to mention 2 to the power 2. So what we can do, we can have a double asterisk with the power. So you can see it's 4. In order to verify it, you can try with this also, 3 to the power 2. So it's 9. So instead of using any other function, any other math function, we can just use double asterisk to give power to it. So yes, I think so this is all done for arithmetic operators. Now we can go into comparison operators. So comparison operators are nothing but it compares two or more variables. Suppose if we want to apply check that this variable equal to this variable, or this variable is greater than that variable. So it basically happens in conditional operations. We'll show you in our further videos. There will be giving if else commands as well. So you will be seeing that. But for now, let's check this out. Suppose we have x is equal to 10 and y equals to 20. Now let's print x equal to y. So this particular statement means that x is equal to y, but Since x is not equal to y over here, so we should be getting an output as false. Let's see it. Here we have our output as false. So now, if we try with some other operators as well, let me remove this. There will be multiple operators and I'm printing it, copying it. Suppose I want to print that x is not equal to y. Okay. So what it should print? It should ideally print me true. We'll check this later once we complete all the operators. And then we can also check if x is greater than y or not. So as we know that 10x is not greater than y, since 10 is not greater than 20, so it will return a false. We can check x is less than y, so yeah, it should return true. We can also check if x is greater than or equal to y. So this will also return a false because x is not greater than y. And same for less than y. If it will be true. So yeah, you can compare the outputs from this. We have false here first, then true, and then false, then again true, and false and true. So yes, these were the operators. These were the operators, and this is basically for comparison purpose. Now let's go to logical operators. Logical operators, if you guys must be aware in your college days and in your school times when we used to have some logical reasoning or logical gates, you can say. So we had and, or, not. So we'll try to see this now in our coding also. Suppose x is equal to true and y is equal to false. So ideally, if I'll print x and y, so it is equal to, so in our logical terms, it is equal to true into true, which we used to do for our logical reasoning part. So it's equal to true. Suppose I want it as false. Suppose I want it as or. You can try or as well. X or y. So similarly, no, it's currently x into false. Yeah, my bad. So it would be false. Now suppose we have true plus false is equal to true. And suppose I am printing not x, so which is like not true or opposite of true, which is nothing but equal to false. So yes, you can see all the outputs are same. So I think so this logical operators must be clear to you. Now let's check with assignment operators. Assignment operators are also a kind of arithmetic operators only, but yeah, it's kind of a very short way of incrementing any variable. It can be used for count to place any kind of counter while running through loops or anything. So you can see, let me show you one example. Suppose a is equal to 10. Now I want to print a plus equal to 5. Okay, so this particular operator is equivalent to, let me show you, a is equal to a plus 5. So you would see, oh, there is a space required. Okay, my bad. Yeah, sorry, we can't print it now here. Yep, so you can see that has incremented the value. So it can be used for incremental purpose. So when we will discuss about loops, you would be able to understand why this assignment operators are important over there. Now suppose if I want to subtract anything, I can have like this, a minus equal to 3. Now suppose if I comment this out, it would be 7. Plus 10 minus 3 is 7. Likely, if I do with multiplication, a asterisk is equal to 2. So it should be a is equal to a into 2. So that is nothing but 20. So yeah, we have this answer. Now we can try with division as well. A divide equal to 2. So what we mean by this statement, that 10 divided by 2, a is equal to a by 2. It should be 5. So I hope this particular assignment operators are also clear to you. Most of the scenarios, this plus and minus operators will be useful, but in some cases, this multiplication and division operators can also be used. Now let's talk about some basic math functions which we have. We have a math library. I'll talk about libraries and how to install it using pip and other package managers like Conda as well in my further videos. For now, just understand we are importing a library, which is a math library. And suppose if I want to apply a arithmetic expression, so it can be similar to a BODMAS expression something. Suppose I have a arithmetic operation like arithmetic expression. Suppose I have x equal to 10 plus 5 into 3 minus 2. Now I want to print x. So what should be the output? 10 plus 15, 10 plus 5 15, 15 into 3 45, 45 minus 2 43. So it's very similar to BODMAS. Now suppose I want to make a square function. Okay, so I want to make a square root. Okay, now suppose I have a number y equal to 49. I want to take out its square root. What we can do over here is we can take a value variable math dot sqrt of y. So it will give me a square root of y. So let's print it now. So as we know, the square root of 49 is nothing but 7. So likely when you saw that we were using this particular operator for exponential purpose, we can use math library as well for exponential purpose. Let me show you how. Suppose I need a power, okay, power value which is equal to math dot power. So which I need the same expression which is 2 to the power 3 over like here, or 3 to the power 2, anything. So yeah, suppose I mention this and let me print this as well. It's 9 now. So I hope this math library is also clear to you guys. So yeah, last but not the least, we have operator precedence. So in this particular section, we'll be again seeing the Bodmas rule and the difference of applying parenthesis and not applying parenthesis. Suppose I am having a mathematical expression, okay, where I am providing 10 plus 5 into 3 into 2 minus 8. Now let's check the result. Print with parenthesis. Sorry, without. Okay, you can see without parenthesis we have 47. Now what if we add a parenthesis over here? Suppose I have the same expression. I'll just make a small difference. I'll just add a parenthesis. Let's see the difference now. It's 15. So why there is a difference? Because first it will execute this, which is 10 plus 5, 15. Now it will again execute this 3 into 2, 3 to the power 2, that is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 into 15 is nothing but 15. So I hope these operators are clear to you guys, and I hope I have explained it little clearly to you guys. If you have any other doubt, so do please comment on this particular video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video, and also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do let me know if you have any doubts. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.